Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome to the Craft with 5 collaboration. This is put on by Bourbon Creek Crafts here on YouTube. Each month we have a list of 5 things to work with. This month is oval, pink, stencil, sticker, and then number 5 I had a little trouble with powder or paste. I'll tell you about that. This is a playlist collaboration, which means down in the description box, there's a link that shows all the videos for it. The playlists are a little easier to work with. The hashtag collaborations, we haven't had great luck with. The hashtags just don't work great. I started strong and I had my ovals and then my pink Amy, and then I went through my specialty paper and I found it's like a raspberry-ish shimmer paper. And then I don't know if you can tell, I also have it on vellum right here, and cute shimmer paper with hearts on it. This one was from Vicky in that big batch of cool stuff. So I have a couple different things from Vicky on this. So I really like the hello and the Amy and kind of having the big oval. I thought, well, let me try building it on an oval, which I don't usually do. And I really like how it turned out. Instead of just putting one sentiment on it, I put the whole thing. I think there might be an Eliza hair in there. Maybe not. Then I had trouble with my powder or paste. I used a bunch of these little tiny bottles of Nuvo drops from Vicky. I had Crystal Glaze and Bubblegum Burst, Simply White, and then Shimmering Rose, and I mixed them and put them on this paper. Well, what I didn't think about was, I'm not really the kind of person who puts the adhesive on the back of the stencil and puts it down, so it bled a little, and I didn't use very good quality paper. This pink paper I chose simply for the color. I got this at that estate sale years ago where we stood in the field. So I have a lot of it, but it's not real high quality. And this is still a little damp, so I need to be careful of it. And I just put a whole bunch of goodness on. I kind of love how it turned out. When you mix your paste or your drops or whatever you're using, see how you get different pockets of color? So I have some sections that are white, some that are translucent. This one looks like a marble. It's super cool. Will I use this? Yes. Did I think it was card worthy? No. Also, I used a dirty stencil. I know you're shocked. And so it has bits of blue and green stuff in it because when one product loosens up another, the bits stick. So I like it. I'll use it as a pocket in a journal or some sort of embellishment. I thought about still using it for the card because it probably would have been pretty cute. But the reality of it is it's not dry and I wanted to be done. And I just don't think like this edge, I would have been happy with that showing or that. But like these, some parts turned out perfect. So I will use it somewhere, but not here. And I really, really like mixing those things. And all I did was use a credit card to put it on. Very cool. Make some marbles or whatever you want. Then I thought I had a raspberry distress oxide. Maybe I don't. So I used coral, kind of went with the colors. And these Amy's, Noni made these. So they're like beautifully blended and all glittered up. She made those. And so it pretty much gave me a lot of leeway on the color because there's such nice blending. And the glitter has some different colors in it too. And then I used the abandoned coral with a clean stencil and put stars back there. I didn't see a heart stencil in my stash. And I think since we already had hearts, it might have been a little bit too much. And then stickers. And I thought, what stickers do I have? Well, a couple weeks ago, I was shopping with a friend and we were really just trying to get steps at a big outlet mall. And we went into it said it was a paint pottery place, but it had a bunch of art supplies and puffy stickers. And you know how I love puffy stickers. So I got these little animals. I was thinking the dogs and cats I would be super excited about. And then for this, I picked out a bunch of pink and white ones. And so she has little tiny puffy stickers on her card. I kind of love it. Maybe it could use some bling or enamel dots, but I don't know that it needs it. It's got a lot of shimmer and stuff going on. And then on the inside, I just stamped a little star with the abandoned coral because I didn't want to put a puffy sticker on the inside, and I didn't have a flat version of these. I guess I could have used one of these. I got some stickos too. Didn't even think about those, but I like the pink and white we have going on. So that is my card for Craft with 5. Be sure to check out the playlist. Craft with 5 is about using the 5 things for the month and whatever else you want. So it could be scrapbook pages, it could be a journal, whatever it is, it doesn't have to be a card, and it could be way more than one. You just never know. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're taking great care of yourselves and making time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.